What happened in the recent drone attack on Tula city in Russia? This surprising event shook the city and raised new questions about drone warfare and security in unexpected places. In the recent drone attack on Tula city, several unmanned aerial vehicles entered Russian airspace and detonated near key industrial areas. Although no casualties were reported, the blasts caused shockwaves that rattled windows and raised alarm across the city. Tula is a significant industrial hub, so the attack drew immediate attention from both Russian officials and international observers. The swift response by local security forces helped contain the situation before it escalated further. While no group has officially claimed responsibility, Russian officials suspect Ukrainian-backed forces may have launched the drones as part of the ongoing conflict between the two nations. The use of drones in this way marks a notable escalation, as it shows how drone warfare is expanding beyond frontline combat zones into deeper strategic areas. Analysts caution that such attacks are meant to disrupt industrial production and create psychological pressure. This incident revealed vulnerabilities in Russia's air defense systems, especially against small, low-flying drone swarms. In response, Russian authorities announced plans to enhance detection capabilities and deploy advanced countermeasures. The event also highlights a growing global trend. Drones are becoming powerful tools in asymmetric warfare, capable of causing disruption far from traditional battlefields. This attack on Tula underscores the urgent need for cities worldwide to adapt to new aerial threats. The recent drone attack on Tula city is a vivid example of how modern warfare is evolving with technology. It exposes new vulnerabilities and challenges for urban security worldwide. If you want to keep discovering surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe for daily insights.